Look, ladies and gentlemen, King Wolf again. Look at my end of my driveway. Look at all this rain. Look at all of it. It's just coming down the road. Look at us, guys. Rain's still coming down a little bit. Yes, I'm out in the rain. I'm out checking out the weather. I'm showing you guys what's going on in Penfield, New York. My flag's still standing, of course. Look at that. Straight up the road. Look, this is the problem we have down at the... Makes a big old flood right there. Always floods. Slowing down now here in Penfield. But it's going to come back. Been hitting us off and on.